In today's video, I am showing you how to fix Xbox Gamebar if it is not working correctly. Go to the Windows menu, open Settings, go to Apps. Scroll down to the Xbox Gamebar app and click Advanced Options. Now let's fix it. Terminate the application first. Next click Repair. Now reset the app.
Beam on, we ain't taking chain, we got too much aquafina. Can't come up in my trap, at the door you get a screening. When the money involved, it's something out of here.
I'm a young shot caller, hit placer, bad bitch taker, AK slanging ass gangster, white flags nigga we don't hang, 2-gun gang, twin glocks nigga I'm flaming.
This won't affect your data, it's safe. Go to Restart and click it. Let's open the Xbox Gamebar and start gaming. If this video was helpful, drop a like below and subscribe for more tutorials.
Savage way too solid, I don't lie and I don't gossip. Came from the gutter, now the bad bitches top me. Bought a new coupe and a top saying drop me. Dissing me, you better off just saying savage drop me. Way too authentic, pussy boys can't copy. Knife tatted in his face, that mean he got a body. Two bad bitches doing a 69 free shotty. Show my rich a meal, I don't gotta show my ID. Nigga wrote a statement and he picked you out of ID. We ain't stopping till your whole gang on the Ivy.
Before I take a nap, before I go to sleep. Count 100 racks while I'm praying on my knees. Shopping with the 50 wicker, make the bitch breathe. Never snitching, never switching, nigga please. Never throwing up the cheese, throwing up a couple peas. Ain't going outside, nigga, you don't read. Everybody having paper, ain't nobody greedy. Thotties in the room, I deny them, they cannot eat. I keep talking about it cause I'm missing pistol peas. Need you on my shoulder, you an angel, watch the demons. Oh, I'm in the pity screaming, for hyenas. Should've thought about it, watch your mouth when you see me. We gon' talk, send them shooters out. Beam on, we ain't taking chain, we got too much aquafina. Can't come up in my trap, at the door you get a screen. When the money